Namaste children. Today we will learn how to add 1 on the ones rod. So on the ones rod we had done addition, but kids are forgetting it. They are mixing up thing. So just we are going to do a series start addition of 1, addition of 2, these kind of videos again. So first of this, see, whenever you start adding 1 on the ones rod, then this is 1 again added, 2, 1, this makes 3, again 1, so 4. So how to add 1 now on this ones rod? So do you know the friend of 1 is 4? So always 4 will welcome 1 because 4 is a friend of 1. So a small family friend of 1 is 4. So 4 will welcome. How to welcome? So add 1 is add 5 less 4. See, 4 vacated the space for 1. So 4 is welcoming 1. So this way we will add 1. So how to memorize the formula? First we will do practice on the abacus. So how to do practice and memorize? First you need to set all the beads on all the rods, make as 4. So you assume that these all are the ones rod. So you set now on these all the rods 4. So assuming these as a ones rod, start practicing. So add 1 is add 5 less 4. 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 You have to speak this louder, or in your brain you have to speak out. Okay, and finger movement also. So add 1 is add 5 less 4. When you are speaking and doing work, doing act, so everything is making a impression in your brain. So it will make good impression and you will not forget the formula. So this practice is must. So add 1 is add 5 less 4. Add 1 is add 5 less 4, like this. Okay. Now you learned and you have to keep attention the formula, friend and all. Okay. Now let's start the question based on the formula of addition of 1. So first number 1. So these all are small family friends. Always we will do on ones rod. This middle one is the ones rod. So 1, then 3, again 1. So don't have here 1 piece left over. So use the formula. Add 5 less 4. Now the 2. Add 1. This is 8. Now 1 again. Add 2. Add 1. So nothing is left. Then use the formula. Add 5 less 4. Add 2. Now this is 7. Now 9 less 7. Add 2. Add 1. Add 5 less 4. Then 4. So this is 9. Now 5. This is 4. Minus 7. Less 7 or minus 7, both are same. So minus 7, 2. Now see, you have to add 1. Nothing is left. No beads are left. Then use the formula. 5 less 4. It makes 5. Now 8 less 5. Add 1. Now again add 1. Nothing is left. Add 5 less 4. We added 1. Now less 5. This is 0. Okay, now next is 7 less 6. 3. Add 1. Add 5 less 4. Then 2. This is 7. Next is 4. Add 1. So add 5 less 4. 2. Less 6. Now add 2. This is 3. Now 1. Add 3. Add 1 now. Add 5 less 4. Now 4 and less 5. This is 4. Okay. Now next question is 7 less 5. Add 2. Now add 1. Now need the formula? Add 5 less 4. Now add 3. So this is 8. 8 less 5. Add 1. You have 1 here, so you use this bit. Now again add 1. So nothing is left here in the ones. So add 5 less 4. Now add 2. This is 7. Now add 2. Again add 2. 1. So add 5 less 4. Add 3. Less 7. Okay. Now answer is 1. So next is last 9 less 8. Okay. Add 1. See, you have add 1. You have 1 here to add. Add 2. You have here. Okay. Now add 1. You don't have here downbeat left over. So add 5 less 4. This gives you 5. Children, I hope you are very clear. Keep on practicing. Without practicing, you can't be a perfect. So practice is must to memorize all the formulas and to make calculation faster. So do practicing and we'll meet in next class to add the new thing. Best of luck. Bye-bye.